Guys, welcome back, Rainman Ash here, and today we are doing this video that we tried to do last time, and let's play. I got into it. I literally got into it. I literally just got in. So, let's try to do this. Last time it was open homepage.
Good evening. How can I help?
Open homepage. Open homepage.
I found this on the web.
Oh my god, guys, it worked! Wow! Literally worked.
Yeah, so is that your total sum of what you're spending at Christmas? 15 quid? Oh, that's
Oh my god. Wow. Let's try it again. Open homepage.
What app can I open for you?
Open homepage.
Here's what I found.
So while we're talking and while we're just trying to make it work, look at my screen. Oh my god, it worked again! And also, if you actually wanted me to help, here's a quick tutorial how to open your phone. So if you don't remember your password, then just get your phone, put it on, and you're in. Exactly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe because we got loads of views, but we didn't get loads of subscribes last video. Just subscribe. Nearly 3 minutes long. Just leave me. Why haven't you ended the video yet?